Hi, HP 4802 students. My name is Dr. Osiki, and I am going to provide you a quick tutorial on how to work within the group discussion assignment. This assignment has two components, a group component, yeah, I can hear the groan, but yes, a group component, and then an individual participation component. So in Canvas, you will see, right now you're in Modular 1, but in Module 2, and from now until the end of the semester, each module will have a group discussion assignment information section. I have opened this section early for this tutorial and for you to get oriented, but starting now forward, the modules will open up when they say time-wise. So what I want you to do first is open your group discussion moderator group document. This shows you what groups you're in. So take note of first the group you're in and the dates in which your question will be posted in Canvas, the date in which you will answer a question in Canvas and post it for the discussion section, and then the date in which you will be facilitating the discussion in the discussion board in Canvas. So take a good look at that and write these dates down. And then next step you're going to do is open up the group discussion assignment. So main takeaways here, you can read the assignment, but note that this is a 20-point assignment based on two sections. One is for one modular during the semester. From now to the end of the semester, a group will get a question, and then they're responsible for creating an answer. And the answer is about 300 words with citations from the text, and then the group will decide at least 1 to 3 questions to facilitate a discussion with other students within the class. So if you're not moderating a group discussion, it means you will be an individual participant in the group discussion. So there's 6 total modulars left. In one module, each of you are assigned to be a group moderator. And then for the other 5 postings, you will participate by responding to the group's question, and then with 3 to 5 sentences. And then the group moderators, facilitators will then be responsible to responding to your post. So the goal is to make this an engaging discussion on controversial and hard topics that we face in health, economics, and finance. So the way the group is going to come together to work on their answer, you get 7 days to do so. You're going to click on this Group 1 Moderator Discussion doc. It's an interactive Google document. These are the instructions on how to add to the Google Doc, so you can read through that. But what I want to show you is at the bottom of the Google Doc is where your question is. So which saves more lives, safe drinking water or surgeons? Great question. It's up for the group to decide how they want to answer it. I'm going to shift my screen over here. And how you're going to do this is click the editing button, and everyone should have suggesting on. Like that. So you can see here, when I type, my name will come up, and everyone knows that this is my contribution. Everyone in the group needs to contribute in this section. A couple things, do not remove these because we will be looking at the Google Doc to understand contributions. So no accepting or rejecting because this takes us away. So this needs to stay in the document. And now there's instructions. Let's say after everyone's contributed, do not delete other students' posts in your group. You can only delete your own post or modify your own post, but don't touch other people's contributions. And then what you want to do is to add comments. So if you look here, if you go and click on insert, you can insert a comment. And what that does is you can type things without actually putting verbiage into where the question is being answered. So when you do that, you'll see that I can type here, I think this is a good idea. So you can see I'm commenting on wherever I click or where everyone wrote, I'm commenting that maybe I want to change the verbiage there, or maybe I just want to clarify things further. Again, once a comment is added to the screen, Do not remove it. So then the question is, well, then how, with all this stuff going on, can we get it into the discussion board? So what you're going to do after you've answered the question is you will then you're going to go to File, and then what you want to do is download as a Microsoft Word. And what happens is these comments on the side of the screen will go away, and then the answer will come up in a Word document with all your edits to it. So you need to choose a leader who will clean up the document, delete things that need to be deleted and change the text so it's all cohesive. And then you want to save a copy of the Word document as a backup just in case. One other thing I want to point out is whenever you contribute to this document, what you want to do is make a copy. So let's say I go in and write something on Monday, I'm going to make a copy. And then I come back Wednesday and I add some more, I'm going to make a copy. Making a copy and saving it to your drive is your backup just in case something goes wrong, or if something accidentally gets deleted. It is your contributions backed up. So every time you come to the document to do something, make sure you make a copy for yourself. And then that way too, if we ask for it, you have it. And then when everything is done, you will not change anything in this document. You will just download as, and you will leave everything as it is. And then last but not least, we're going to go back into Canvas. And then at the bottom, you can see here, post individual responses. This is for people. What's going to happen is you're going to open up the discussion board. Now, this is locked. I'll unlock it. What you can do then is you're going to be able to post the group response. Group 1, you will post in here after you finish your answer, and then it needs to be in here by February 10th at 8 a.m. And then there will be a reply button that students, I can show this in 1 minute. So what will happen is, here's the question. Group 1, you will copy and paste your answer in here. You'll post your reply, and then students can reply to it all the way down. Now, the biggest thing during this group project is if anything seems confusing or challenging, please email us right away and not after the fact. So be aware, from now until the end of the semester, you'll either be running the discussion board by answering a question, posting it, and facilitating discussion during one module, or you'll be a participant in each module with individual responses. I think this is a really exciting, dynamic way for us to discuss some really challenging issues. And you can always post questions too if you're having any issues on the discussion board, or reach out to us directly. So again, welcome, enjoy the class, and we look forward to seeing your engaged responses.